Hello everyone, I'm Onua, and said it might look the same because I'm recording this right after the last video. If you did not watch that, I recommend checking it out if you like this one. So, in today's video, we're going to be looking at the Elemental Dragoniod Ultra. That's what it looks like in the box. This is the back of his box. Got the ability, the character, the gate, and the 2 cores. And so let's get this open with the almighty Ventus knife. Okay, got it open. Got the cards. Pull out the bubble. It's a figure. Get the box out of the way. Okay, so moving the figure aside, we'll go straight for the cards. Hoping that these ones open up better than they did in the last video. They do. Done with the knife. Let's pull all those out. Plastic. Bye bye Peld. You have the rule book. And then the instructions sheet that also has the list of characters. Move those over here. And so we'll get into the gate card. So first we have Ventus Gilator. So I have this one already, but it's always nice to get Ventus. Good for Aquas, Ventus, and Ardulos. Not so good for Pyrus, Chaos, and Darkus. So there's that. We have the ability card. Searing Strike. Costs 2 energy and plus 400 bees to your Bakugan. There we go. And we have the character card. A very awesome looking character card with the like kind of like fire design there and how Dragonoid's like popping out of the picture. Really awesome looking. But Flame Fist, Green Fist for him, 1000 bees and 2 damage. So pretty good for the character. Probably my strongest one I have. Of like Bakugan, not Geogon. So here's that. And then for the cores, Green Fist is -3 damage. So it's like a trap core. The Flame Fist is -4 damage, so another trap core. So those are good for your opponent, not for you. Moving on to the character. Here he is. And just like in last video, didn't have scissors, so I'm just gonna pop this through the hole real quick and I'll get back to you once I have it out. Got it out of the figure. It just comes right out now. Plastic out of the way. Take a look at the Elemental Dragoniod. It's very nice looking, translucent red. There's like some very nice shiny orange on him. Green's not that shiny, it's more of like a pale green. Well, not pale, but plain green. But then that laser, or whatever, tempergraph? Whatever it's called, the designs on the wings and the tail. Look at that. It's not coming up very well, but that is awesome. Okay, sorry guys, I had to stop for a second, but so that's him in his open form. It's very nice. So let's get him closed up. Flip in his feet. Flip down his wings. Flip in his head. Or I guess flip up his tail and then flip in his wings. And then flip in this chrome red back piece. Not chrome, it's just shiny. But that's his ball form. Very awesome. He's got the Ariello's gold symbol there, and I'm guessing that's also for his bees. So, bringing out the ability, the gate card. Drop them down, pop them open. I know it's better to open them on cores, but I'm not that good at rolling them, so here he is. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. That's it, so out.